How to turn on or off job title on your Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off a job title on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And now click on privacy checkup and click on your ad preference on Facebook. Click on continue, next, and here you have a job title and you can turn off or on this option. You decide whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.